One of the problems I found with this weed trimmer is that this line right here broke off, and so that's no good. That goes to the primer bulb here, and then this line here, I'm going to replace it too, and it hooks on right here at this point. So first of all, I'm going to clean it up. Okay, the first line that we're going to replace is this one right here, and this goes to the bottom of the carburetor. So we got to get that off of there. And right there it is. Very hard to get to. This is the choke right here. I believe I'm going to have to take this choke off here. Quite a long screw. Apparently, this holds the carburetor on also. We'll have to clean that. So this is the line we want to get rid of right here. Down here. See if I can get it closer. Yeah, right down there. This line right here. And the reason why this whole thing is no good is because I used ethanol in the gas. So this is the line we're trying to get off right here. Might need a little bit of help. Be careful when you're doing this. Put your thumb down at the bottom instead of in line with the knife. You want to be careful that you don't scratch the pipe coming out of the carburetor. There you go. Got that off. Now while I'm doing that, I might as well take the top one off. and that is right here. Again, put your thumb down here at the bottom instead of up here. Okay, put it way down here. Okay, here gives you another view. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Okay, this is right here. Is the one I'm trying to get off. Right there. And I've done my best to get all of the plastic off of it. And it should be okay. Okay, here you can see the throttle connection right here. Alright. That has to be connected right here to this small area right here where the hole is. Okay, like that. And then, as you can see, this is a Zama. Okay, then this is going to go on here like this. There is a pin up here. After you get your throttle on right here, there's a pin up here. There's a corresponding hole on the gasket. Okay, put that in there. Alright. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is put this choke back on. Feed this screw right here. Feed that into the top hole. And this has a bent washer on it, a spring washer right here. Make sure that that is at the top. And then thread it back into the hole carefully. Most of these carburetors are aluminum, so you got to be careful not to strip the threads. Take your Torx bit like this and thread this in. Put your second screw back in the bottom. Sort of wiggle it back and forth till you get it in the hole. And then check it. Make sure you're getting it in the hole. It helps if you have a holder for your bit, Torx bit. Okay, here's the fuel filter right here, and this fuel filter goes right over here in this hole right here, the one right there. All right, this little ring right here holds the fuel filter in, sort of like this. All right, there's a little bit of tubing that goes on this filter. You got to get that off of there. Right there is where it's dark. That tubing has to come off. Unless you go order a new filter. Alright, here is the old filter. I'm going to reuse it. I have some other filters. I don't know if I will reuse them, but as you can see, the connection here is extra long. You're going to have that kind of filter. Now I do have other filters. I do have other size filters right here. But they aren't going to work. They do not have this long connection that I actually need.